Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make keto pumpkin pie muffins with a crumble topping. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. Let's get started with these pumpkin pie muffins because they are so delicious. I know that I've got a hit on my hands whenever my kids like the recipe, so these are good. We're going to start with 2½ cups of almond flour, and I've already got this in this large mixing bowl here. I've got my oven preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I've already got my muffin tin, the liners in the muffin tin, and I've got them sprayed with cooking spray. So to the almond flour, I'm going to add a teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 cup of granulated sweetener, and we're going to stir these dry ingredients together. And I've also got a tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice. I'm going to add that to the almond flour and mix all of these dry ingredients. Smells like fall. So now we're going to add 3 beaten eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1 15-ounce can of canned pumpkin. Hopefully you can find it in the store. It has been a hard to come by ingredient lately, but we've been having success at Kroger and Target. So I think as we get closer to Thanksgiving, you'll be able to find it a lot easier. So let's just combine all of these ingredients. Okay, we've got a scoop here. We're going to scoop out the batter into the muffin tin. Should be enough to just fill them up, you know, with this. It divides out evenly, so just fill them up. Okay, now let's make the crumble top. It's 1/3 cup of almond flour, 1/4 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, 2 tablespoons of granulated sweetener, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. I'm gonna just stir this up to make our crumble. Okay, now we'll just divide it evenly on top of the muffins. And in the oven they go at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes, and a toothpick will come out clean. Okay, we're back, and here are our pumpkin pie muffins out of the oven. They look absolutely fantastic. Let's take a bite. So good. They are so soft in the center. It's really like pumpkin pie. Guys, be sure you check out this recipe. It's super delicious. Also, be sure you check out this recipe for individual strawberry crisps. They are out of this world amazing. So be sure you go check that out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.